know what this is? Can you guess? Can you guess this? Did you know that the fever grass actually has a flower, has a bloom? Yes, this is the fever grass bloom. When you see fever grass, usually you see it like this. Like I showed you in previous videos, usually you see it like this. But look at it. It's actually blossoming. Quite interesting, huh? Did you know? Did you know? This is the lemongrass or fever grass blossom. Yes, look at them. It's quite interesting. And yes, I had a wonderful opportunity to taste the branch or the stalk from it. Look at it. It actually reminds me of cane, sugar cane, and it has a somewhat sweetish taste too. So yeah, yes, that's lemongrass. Yes, that's it. That's it right there. Look at it. It looks like cane. Looks like sugar cane. So did you know? If you did, or if you didn't know, definitely share in the description section of this video. And I'm your health educator, Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Keep watching. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.